Good evening, everyone. I'm Vasavi Lakshmi, studying in BSc 3 Electronics, student coordinator of this workshop. Department of Science is conducting this workshop to train students to apply their creativity in designing and editing. The main motive of this workshop is to explore new techniques and designing and creating. It's with great pleasure that I'm here today to welcome you all to the 3-day workshop on graphic design for the beginners. On behalf of St. Anne's Degree College, principal and staff, I welcome you all here this evening. Let's all hope the Almighty leads and guides us throughout the event and that it becomes a successful one. Now, I would like to introduce your instructors who will teach you the day-to-day activities of the workshop. Your first day instructor is Ms. Praveena from BSc 2 MSCS. Your second day instructor is Ms. Namreen from BSc 2 MECS. And your third day instructor is Ms. Unnati from BSc 2 MSCS. And also, an important note to everybody who's here that we'll be giving you a feedback form in the chat box at the end of the session where you guys have to fill that form and submit. If everyone does that for all the 3 days, then only you'll be receiving your completion certificate. Okay, and also if you have any doubts, you can post it in the chat box. On behalf of you, at the end of the session, I'll be giving your doubts to the instructors. Thank you, and I would like to hand over this session to Ms. Praveena. Thank you.
Thank you, Vasavi. A pleasant evening, everyone. First of all, I thank you all for attending the workshop. I'm glad to be your trainee for today. I am Praveena Krishna, pursuing degree second year in St. Anne's College. Today, I'm going to speak about Canva and help you create Instagram stories, posts, video making, and certificate making in Canva. So, can anybody tell what actually Canva is? So, okay. So, Canva is a graphic designing platform used to create social media, uh, social media, graphic designing, and presentations, posters, documents, and other visual effects. So, I hope you all can see my screen.
Yes, Praveena.
Yeah, thank you. So, Canva is a graphic designing platform used to create social media graphics and presentations and posters and many things such as certificates also. So there are a lot of templates in Canva for the users. We also have pro versions and Canva for enterprises also. Uh, Now we'll begin the session by getting into the details of what Canva is and how can we create posts and certificates and video making. So this is the homepage of Canva before you get signing in. This will be seen on your screen. That is, to get started with Canva, you need to sign up with your email. And on a note, I would suggest you to create Canva or give your details uh, not with your personal email IDs, okay? You can create any other email IDs for these applications, okay? So do not give your personal email IDs for applications such as Canva and all, okay? This is a note and sign up with email. It's very simple. You can just type your name, your email ID and password. Password for not your email ID. For Canva, you need to create a password and just get started with it. And when you get into, when you sign up for this, you'll just get into the Canva directly. So if you have an account in Canva, you can just log in, uh, giving your email ID and password. That's it. You can log in. This is the home page of Canva. After logging in, this is the home page of Canva. So guys, don't worry that I'm teaching in PPT. I'll be doing a hands-on session also. Okay, you need to wait uh, for each and every topic that I'm discussing. I'll be telling you the hands-on session. Okay, so this is the home page of Canva. As you all can see, there are templates, features, and you can also see presentations, social media, and all here. You can also see all your designs. Okay, when you create some design in Canva, you can also see them here. They're all stored. Nothing is deleted unless you delete it permanently. And okay, getting into further topic, I would like to start with Instagram posts. I know most of us, including me, everybody use social media, mainly Instagram, where we post videos and pictures, and we also post stories, right? So in stories, we also post videos and audio files, etc., pictures, everything. Okay, you can actually make it creative and interesting by editing those in Canva. Okay, so here you can see, as I've told you, there are templates. In templates, we have Instagram posts. Here we have a lot of templates in Instagram posts. That is, you can actually edit your picture here. You can replace it, or else you can directly create a blank document, and you can add your own creativity in it. That is your own background, text, videos, audios, etc. Okay. So as I have told you, there are also pro versions and also free versions. And here you can see few themes here. Okay, that is coronavirus, food, sale, birthday, summer. So you can actually choose. You can actually they are specific. You can actually choose to create your own Instagram post by if you wanna um, um, wish somebody with your Instagram post, you can actually go for a birthday and you can edit their photos or your photos. If he or she is your friend, you can actually edit them. Okay, so and here we also have a color option. In this color option, uh, we have a few varieties of colors, that is the same colors, red, blue, green, and all. So if you select a particular color, the template shown here will be of that color only. So if you want something to choose as red or green, if you're very specific about the color, you can actually choose them. Okay, if you're not specific about the color, but if you're very specific about the content and the way it looks, the creativity and all, you can actually go for any of the themes. Okay, um, now in Instagram posts, and I would also tell you that these templates, elements, uploads, text, audio, background, these all are same for all the templates available in Canva. Okay, so these all are available in Canva for every template, that is for Instagram posts, video making, certificates, posters, presentations, everything. So you can actually listen to it carefully. So you'll get to know more about it when I do the hands-on session. So no need to worry. I'll be explaining you very clearly. Okay. So templates, here you can see there is something called recently used. Okay, if you have recently used some template, it will be showing you here. Okay, I have used these two, so it's showing me that you have used this recently. And here you can see they are divided by their teams. Okay, here it is like I have already told you, it's like coronavirus, newsroom, Instagram post, something like that. They are divided into teams. Okay, I'll be telling you all those. And you also have some professional and unprofessional teams. And actually, you can search any kind of template. That is, if you want a simple template, you can search for a simple template. Or else, if you want some template related to some color, you can do that. Okay. Um, so here is the second one, that is elements. Elements are nothing but There are some kind of line shapes that you add to a post. Okay, not only post, for your poster, presentations, everything. You can add these elements to make it something attractive, creative. Okay, so in elements we have lines, shapes, graphics, GIFs, frames, and also grids. Um, so you can use, and you also have an option to select something like this. You have a background, flowers, spring, nature. You can select. Or else if you want something like, if you want a sticker or a GIF related to nature, okay, you can just type nature here. If you type nature, it will give you results that is related to nature. You need to ask it specifically, that is, if you want a sticker of nature, you need to ask it as nature sticker. Okay, you need to be very specific about it, or else it will give you few results. You can search it up. Okay, and so here is the third one. It is uploads. Okay, till now we had seen those elements, templates, and all. Okay, here now we go with uploads, which is we can upload our own images, videos, audio files from our own devices. Okay, that is our own photos, our own videos, audios, etc. Okay, if we are not interested in any of the template or elements or anything, we can actually do it by ourselves. We can actually download few templates from Google, and you can add them here and you can use them. Okay, so you have that option, and don't worry that it's asking to upload. Okay, don't panic by the word upload. It This word is actually, if you upload some image or video or audio in Canva, it will only uh, be permit for you. Okay, unless you give your password ID to any other, nobody can access your images, your videos, and audios. Okay, if you're not interested to keep these all images, videos, audios, you can actually delete them permanently. Okay, that's it about this uploads. Now we'll move to text. So in text we have three main things. That is, one is heading, second is subheading, and the third is a little bit of body text. This little bit of body text is used when you write a tagline or something. Okay, when you write a company name and you have to add a tagline, then you have to use the third option. Okay, it depends upon you, and you can also uh, resize it. You can also change the type of font. Okay, type of font, you can resize them, you can add color to it, anything you can be done. Okay, if you want to search a particular text, okay, you can actually search it. You can actually search it, or you can actually scroll down to many of the fonts. Okay, there are a lot of fonts available in Canva. We'll be looking into it further. So the fifth one is audio. um, as I told you, in uploads we have audio. Okay, so in that audio is from our devices, but here the audio is from the Canva. Okay, Canva provide us few audio files. Okay, that are related to some kind of modern. If they are some kind of guitar, they are related to something like piano and all. Okay, basic tunes. Okay, basic tunes. Okay, if you're not interested in any of these audio files, you can actually download your own files, such as movie songs, album songs, and all, and you can upload in Canva and you can use them. Okay, there's no worry if you're not interested in any of these audios and you want to make it something interesting. And one more thing is, I know in Instagram posts and Instagram stories, we can add audio files directly in Instagram. So in that also we may not they are not available. Okay, few audio files are not available. That is, if we want something in Telugu, it's not available in Instagram also. So in Canva you can just upload your own audio files. Okay, few audio files are not available in Instagram also. Okay, so you can do that here and post your creative and interesting and whatnot, your own Instagram posts and stories. Okay, so you need to get into Canva very slow. Okay, you need to understand every bit of Canva. It's very easy to understand. Uh, so you can try them, right? And we'll go with backgrounds. So backgrounds, we all know a background is very important for a picture, for anything else. A background is very important. So the background, if it looks very neat, then the picture will be very attractive. Okay. If we post something on Instagram or stories, okay, posts and stories. I'm talking about only posts and stories. How background is very important. So in background, we have here we have few colors. Okay, dark colors which are very bright, and these are and actually you can choose any of the color. Okay, if you want the background to be totally black, you can fill the black color. If you want it to be pink or something, you can do that. Blue or something, you can do that. And here also we have recently used. Okay, if you something recently and you want to recreate it again, so you can use the same recently used one. Okay, and here are few results. Okay, and here also we have a search bar for background searching. Okay, you can search your wish, your kind of backgrounds you want. Okay, if you want a background with bubbles and all, you can do that. And also I would suggest you to, if you are not interested in any of these backgrounds, that is in Canva you don't have interest in any of this, you want something unique and something, you can actually Google it, and you just have to copy the image in Google and just paste it in the Canva. Then the background is set. Okay, and if the background is blur in Google, so it won't be I mean, it cannot be depixelated. Okay, the pixels are the same, and you can actually select your background related to color, style, and theme also. Fine. The next one is, this is the mobile view. Till now, I have shown you the laptop view. Okay, how Canva looks in a laptop or a computer. Okay, in mobile view, the same thing is happening. You will find all the options that are available in laptop version and in mobile version also. Okay, no need to worry. Nothing is special in laptop, nothing is special in phone. Okay, everything is same. So you just have to scroll it down a bit so that you find something. Okay, but in whereas in laptop you just find everything in this on the screen. Okay, you just have to scroll, you just have to search a bit so that you find your theme. Okay, and here this is the um, Instagram post. Okay, this is a screenshot of Instagram post. I have told you the templates, elements, uploads, text, etc., stickers. Okay, in laptop version it will be displayed on the left side. Okay, but in the mobile view it will be displayed on the bottom. Okay, bottom you find templates, elements, uploads, etc. You whatever you find in the laptop or computer version, that will be available in mobile version also. Okay, so those who have mobiles, you can actually, there's no worry. Okay, okay, you can also create your own stories, certificates, posters, PPTs, etc. in mobile also. And so now we'll be looking into hands-on session for Instagram posts and stories. Okay, hands-on session. So I hope you all can see my screen, right? Can you all see?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So I have already told you this is the home page that is visible when you are not signed in or logged in. Okay, so if you have to sign up, you just have to click sign up. Click sign up with email. You just have to sign up and get started. Okay, it's free for, and also there is pro version also. If you are very interested in Canva, if you are doing some job or something related to this graphic designing and all, you can just go for Canva Pro and use them. Okay, no worries. I have a login, so I'll be logging in. So here we go with the home page of Canva. Okay, so I've told you that you find templates here. See, you have a various many kinds of templates. Okay, here you have invitations, resumes, postcards, presentations, posters, flyers, videos, certificates, etc., 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 etc. So many. Okay, you can also create brochures, logos, anything. Okay, once you get into Canva, search for each and every template. Okay, so that you will get to know many more. Okay, and we also have all your designs here. I have told you, you find all your designs here. See, I have a lot of designs here which I made, so you can find them all. No worries, nothing will be deleted unless you delete it permanently. And okay, so this is how it appears. See, you have logos, presentations, posters, thumbnails, Instagram stories, etc., etc., etc. So many. And okay, now we'll get into making of Instagram stories. Sorry, posts. Posts and stories are very similar, but the dimension of the post is different and the dimension of the story is different, right? We all know how Instagram works and how it is, okay? So, as I told you all, we have few themes, right? So, here we have color. So, I would like to present something like if you choose one color, so I would like to choose blue. See, only blue. Okay, you got templates related to only blue color. Um, that might be a different shade of blue. That is, we have different shades of blue, not exactly what blue you asked for, but you can choose it. Okay, if you're very specific about the color of the post, you just have to choose something. Okay, if you don't have anything, you can choose anything. If you're very specific about the content, you can. As you all can see here, these are all pro versions, right? See, it has a crown symbol. These are all pro versions, and here is an option for you all. If you just want a free version, you can just select them. See, you got only the free versions. Here there are paid versions also. In free versions, we can just pay for a particular post. Okay, you can choose that also. So now we'll get into making. Okay, so I would like to create a blank document. Hope you all can see my screen. Hoping that you're able to understand. So as I told you, you can see a recently used things here. Okay, so recently. And you also have various templates. Here we have food Instagram. If you're a foodie or if you want to post something related to food, you just have to go for this. You just have to paste your own food picture or something and write a tagline or something on the post, and you can just upload it. If you want to, I already told you, if you want to wish someone on a birthday, so you can just go for birthday Instagram post. Here you have an option to see all. So yes, you can see. So few are videos, and we can actually upload posts and also videos in Instagram, right? So you can actually choose if you want to choose something like a video. It's not a video, but it's an animation. Okay. So it's taking time. Okay. So these are GFs. I mean, like stickers, motion stickers. This is also motion sticker, not a GF. Okay. So here, if you want to change the photo, just uh, delete it, and you can add your own upload photo. Okay. So be careful when you edit something. So actually, you can minimize this, and you also have frames in Elements. In Elements, you have that works also. So you can just adjust the picture you can rotate it, you can resize it. I have already told you. So you can do that. You can just edit the text also. Okay. So you can delete everything. And if you are in a hurry and deleted some other thing, you can just undo it. You can do that. Okay. These are all available in Instagram, right? And okay. So you can add two, three multiple pages also in Instagram. So I've told you there are backgrounds. So I'll choose one, any of the simple backgrounds. Okay, no need to worry what to choose. If you are not interested in these, you can actually go out of in Canva and search. So okay, so this is what I have chosen, and you can add text. So I want to add something like a subheading because I don't want a big font or something. Like it's not a heading for me. It's just something like a tagline. Okay, I just typed something. If you want to change the font, you can actually change it, right? I have told you there are multiple fonts, okay? And here you can see these are all popular fonts that is showing, okay? You can see popular fonts. Like that you have a lot. Okay, you can choose any of these things. And after the popular fonts, it will show you English fonts. It is like alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, it will be showing you a few fonts. Okay, so choose one your wish. That depends upon your nature. Okay, if you want to choose something very dark and something like that, you can do that. And you also have a color option. You can change the color of the text. So here, if I want a white color, you can do that. And one more thing is, you can actually uh, find few colors outside Canva. That is, I'll tell you. So if you go for color hunt, okay, color hunt, you'll get this first option, color hunt, color palettes. Okay, you can ask for color palettes, color hunt or something. See, you will get a variety of colors, okay, that are not available. They are available in Canva also. You can actually search for it, but it'll take time. If you are interested in colors which are directly which you get directly, so you can just okay, go for this. If I want a color something like maybe this, okay, you have this code right here. It is a hexadecimal code. A hexadecimal code is nothing but it's the digits from 1 to 9 and 0 to, I mean, alphabets from A to F. Okay, the computer science students might be knowing it. So it's an hexadecimal number, and you just have to copy it. So see, you see a copied thing. Then just go for Canva. Okay, just go for this and just copy it. I mean, sorry, paste it. See, I have got that color. Okay, the specific color chosen, I have got the text in that color. Okay, you can do this. This is one way where you can search for a color. I have told you this color is available in Canva also, but you have to just see. See, this color, this specific color is available in Canva. You have various colors. Okay, you can actually have shades, right? So you'll find. But if you want something directly, you can just go for color hunt and search for a color, and you'll get it. Okay. And here we have font combinations. As you all can see here, you have font combinations. See, different types of fonts in a single um, text. Okay, in a single text, you find. See, I've chosen one thing. I have two fonts here. One font is Monstret and the other one is something Scramanton. So you can do this. You can actually go for font combinations also if you're very interested. You can do that. And I have told you I'll be letting you know about the frames. So in Elements, we find frames. So okay. So see, here we have frames and also we have grids. So there are two where you can actually fit your photo in it. I'll help you know this. Okay, if you choose something like if you choose a circle, this is just an example. I'm not creating any Instagram post. I'm just helping you how you can create it. Okay, so okay, so in this circle, if you choose a picture, if you hmm, so if you choose a picture and if you just move it, see, you have this, you got this, right? Guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, Praveen,
Yes, ma'am.
but it's
uh,
bit low. I think the network is low.
yeah, network is low, that's what I was wondering. Okay, okay, so see, I have chosen some nature picture in a rectangle format, but here I have used a frame circle. So if you use circle, it will directly fix the picture in a circle format only. If you choose something differently, that is if you choose this flower kind of thing. So okay, so if you do that, see, it will get into the shape of the design. Okay, so the picture will get into the shape of the design, and you have an option to adjust this. If you just want something, some particular thing, you just have to do this. Okay, double click it, you will get it. So in this way, you get it for the Instagram posts. And I have told you the we have audio files here. So if you choose any of the audio file, so it will give you a preview, okay? How what the audio is, what bit is playing, okay? It will give you a preview of the audio. My internet connection is very slow. See, it's playing. So if you want to choose something between like this, if you want a high pitch, you can choose this high pitch. Actually, we are in a Google Meet, so you are not able to hear the audio. Okay. So if you want a low pitch, you can choose something low pitch. Okay. You can do that. That's if you are not interested, you just have to delete it. Simple. And we also have other options, also charts. Okay. So if we have more, in more we have styles, videos, folders. So these are from Canva. Okay. These are only applicable for Canva. You have these. Okay. Um, that's it about this Instagram post. It's the same thing for Instagram stories also. And one more thing, you can actually add in Elements. You can actually add GIFs, right? I've told you what we have GIFs also. So GIFs. Okay. See, I asked for a GIF, but it's giving me a GIF motion picture. Like so, we have these also. So see, If you want to circle something, you just have to do that. If you want to underline something, you can take this. You just have to place it here. If you want something like this, you can do that. Okay, if you want to underline. Right? Got my point? You can do this. Okay. Search for this. If you are very much interested, you can actually do it with me. Okay. While I'm searching all this, you can actually log into Canva and search for this. Okay. Okay. See, I have this here. Okay. It's like you're specifying something. Okay. By these emojis kind of thing, you're specifically telling something. Okay. So okay, this is all about stories. I have not explained you Instagram stories. I know that because I have to already told you these all elements: uploads, text, audio, background. All these are available in all the templates. So the same thing is for Instagram stories also, but you find various different kinds of templates there. So we are lagging time. So I'll go with video making. Okay. Okay. In video making, we have 12 types of video making. Okay. It's basically the first one is a normal video. Then we have video collage, YouTube videos, YouTube ads, Pinterest, TikTok videos. We also have TikTok videos here, Facebook videos, video message. If you want to greet someone, you can actually go for video message and give a greeting. Okay. So okay, video making. Now we'll go for video making. I'm extremely sorry, the internet connection is slow. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go for videos. So I have clicked for search for a videos and we'll get into it. Okay. This is the home page of video templates. Okay. See, I have various templates here. So whether the video is related to Mother's Day or funny meme, travel, food, sale, etc. Okay, these are all available. And I have the same thing. If you choose a particular color, the particular theme based color, so it will show that templates only. Okay, here we have paid versions. Few are unpaid. You can just go for anything. Paid versions you have to pay it. Okay, that's it. So I'll go for a blank document. In a blank document, I can explain you clearly what can be done. Okay. So in uploads, I have videos. I have told you there are videos, audios, and images in Canva that you can upload. So I have few videos. Okay. So in this, you can choose any of this. Okay. I've just chosen this. See, you can actually trim it also. Okay. You can just right click it and set as a background. Okay, done. The background is set with the video. Now you can actually trim this video if you want some particular size. Like if the video should be some 10 seconds, you can just set it for 10 seconds. See, I have set the video for it for 10 seconds. That's it. You just have to save that and you can actually crop it if you want to. Okay, if you just want to crop the video, you can do that. Okay, and you can actually add text for this. Okay, when the video is running, the text will be visible on the screen. Okay, this is something that I like in Canva in video making. Okay, um, so the video is about sunrise. I would like to write something as sunrise. Okay, I would like to place this here. I can change the color of the font and size of the font also it can be changed. Okay, see sunrise, and you can change the color of the font. So, I mean size of the font. If you want it to be big, you can actually expand it, or else if you want it to be small, you can actually minus that. So you can do. And here you have something called line spacing and letter spacing. Letter spacing is nothing but the space between the letters can be increased or can be decreased. See, sunrise is totally decreased. Okay, the letter spacing is different, and you have a line spacing here. So if you have two, I mean, so just a second, and if you have something like nature, I would. So the space between these two is less. So if you want something space between these two, so you can just do that. You all can observe the changes on my screen. So the line spacing is also available and the letter spacing is also available. You can do that, and you can actually do this too. If you want it to be a right corner, if you want the uh, text to be in the middle, you on the left corner or something, you can do that. You can bold it, you can make it italic. Okay, bold, italic, anything, anything can be made. So you can do this in video making. In video making, you can also add, see, you can also add audio, right? Your own audio or the audio which is provided by the Canva, you can add anything. Okay. And on a note, I would like to tell you, if you don't want this as a background, you can detach this from the background and you can add a background of your choice. Okay, let it be black. See, actually the video will be playing, but and see, you can observe the sunrise is not visible on the screen. So you just have to right click it. You just have to right click it and ask for bring forward. Okay, see, you can see sunrise and nature. Okay, you can do this. If you want something, if you want the video as a background video, so you just have to set it as a background. If you don't want it, you can set any color of your choice or anything, any background of your choice. Okay, in this way we can make videos, we can trim, and audio files also we can add elements. Yeah, I forgot. So this is the sunrise, right? So I would like to ask sun. If I ask for sun stickers or sun, just sun, it will give me. See, if you want a sun sticker, you just have to ask for specifically. Ask it specifically. So ask for sun sticker. Don't guys, I'll be completing it on time. At 5, I'll wind up the session. So okay, if you ask for that, it will show you. But I have a bad internet today. Here, actually, if you go down, you'll find yeah, you got them. See, you got something like a motion picture. I mean, motion sticker. So okay, now you can minimize it. I mean, resize it and you can place it wherever you like. So I would like to place this on the top corner. It's something like you can do this, right? Okay. Or if you want to add something, any other thing related to the post that you or the video you're making, you can add them. Okay, you can just search in the stickers and you'll find them. So this is all about video making, and now we'll get into certificate making. Okay, so yeah, here certificate making. This is the home page of certificate making template. Okay, where you can find various kinds of teams, right? Teams like that is achievement. If you want to create a certificate based on an achievement, okay, you can do that. Or if you want to appreciate someone on their birthday, on their anniversary, if they've won something, like if they've won the first prize, you can appreciate. So by giving a certificate, appreciation certificate. So in this way, you can do that. And for every template in Canva, you have a blank document, that is blank certificate, blank Instagram post, blank stories, blank video making, and also you have themes. Okay, you have, sorry, templates. Themes, templates, colors, everything are same for all the things. And now, so here I would like to suggest you few tips to create certificate. So certificates may be professional and unprofessional also. For unprofessional certificates, I would there's nothing because they are unprofessional. There won't be any specification for anything. Okay, they are unprofessional. They are made for some fun or something. But for a professional certificate, you need to be very specific about these 5 points. Okay, these 5 basic points are very important for you to make a professional certificate. So you just need to have a, pick a background design. Okay, you need to pick a particular background design. It may be dark or the certificate color may be light. There's no worry. Okay, it depends upon you, but the background that you choose should be very creative and eye catching. Okay, when you look at the certificate, oh wow, such a nice certificate, you just have to have that on your tip of the tongue when you see the certificate. For that, you need to select a background. Which background? A kind of background which is very eye catching. And the second point is choose an appropriate color scheme. That is, color scheme is nothing but you just have to be very particular about the shades that you made. Okay, if the background is something black, you just have to choose a text color as white. Okay, if the background is white, you just have to choose the text color as black. So you need to be very attentive while choosing the color of this certificate. Okay, and do not clutter the layout. Here the clutter is nothing but making it very clumsy. So do not make the certificate very clumsy with adding lot of content in it. Okay, if you want to appreciate someone, just write their name. The things will be there, like your if it is from your college, you just have to write the college name, logo, and if it is a competition, you just have to mention the competition name and then write the name of the person. Then you just have to write 1 or 2 lines about the content. Okay, the content should be very 2 or 3 sentences. That's it. Okay, so you don't need to make it clumsy by adding a lot of borders to it, adding stickers to it. You for a professional certificate, you should not add stickers. Okay, no motion stickers, no GIFs, no lines or something, any designs. Okay, it should be very professional. So it should be very neat and clean. Do not clutter the layout. Okay, I would like to tell that. And use several fonts. Here using several fonts is nothing but do not use too many fonts. Okay, that is some 6 to 7 fonts. Do not use 6 to 7 fonts. Use some 2 to 3 fonts. That's it. For the college name, 1 font. For the competition name, 1 font. and the content one font. That's it. Okay, and the name of the person and other font. Okay, that's it. 3 to 4 fonts. That's it. Okay, do not make it very unprofessional by adding a lot of text. I mean fonts to it. And the fifth one is spell the recipient's name correctly. Okay, so you just have to concentrate on the spellings. Recipient is nothing but whom you are avoiding or rewarding or something. You just have to spell the name correctly because it's a matter of professional thing, right? For professional thing, you just have to be very careful about these 5 points. So if you want to make a note of it, you can do that, or else we would like to provide a YouTube link after the session so that you can see there. Okay, and how to create a certificate? I have told you we have templates to create certificates. We have blank document. So color scheme is also there. And we have various types of certificates, that is appreciation, achievement, professional, unprofessional, simple, everything. Okay. Okay. Thank you for now. I would like to take on the hands-on session for this certificate making also. Then I would like to end the session. Okay. So in templates, again, we have certificates. So in certificates, there are n number of, not n, there is countable limit for this themes. Okay, so we have work, appreciation, recognition, academic, school, sport, completion, birthday, achievement, and all. Okay, so you can choose if you are very specific about one particular theme. That is, if you want to uh, appreciate someone, you can just go for appreciation. Here you find that you just click on appreciation, you'll get few templates related to appreciation. If you just don't want any of these, okay, you just have to go for a blank certificate and create your own by adding few elements are nothing but I'm specifically telling lines or shapes or borders. That's it. Elements are nothing but do not add GIFs, stickers and all for the certificates. Okay. Be very specific about making a certificate. Certificates are professional. If you are making an unprofessional one, no worries. You can add anything. Okay. Because you do it for fun, right? Okay. You can choose any of these. Few are paid versions. So I'm almost done. I would like to just tell you how you use this. So I'll go for this. Okay. So okay, this is what the certificate is. This is the completion certificate. Okay. It is a webinar or something. So in that you have okay. So it's a completion certificate for a webinar or something. Science camp. Okay. So you can actually change the colors here of the elements. You can change the colors. You can delete them if you don't want, if you're not liking it. You can actually delete them or add your own thing. These stickers are okay if you're making a professional certificate. These basic stickers are okay. That because they are related to science. Here they have mentioned something like science. If they are related to science or something, you can just add these. Okay, or else you should avoid, maximum time you avoid these. Okay, and you can change the color of the font. The same thing I have told you, right? You can change the color of the font size. You can change the font. You can add okay. So and here you find something a blank space. Here there goes a signature. If you're making a digital certificate, there will be digital signatures. If you're making a certificate and going for a print, the signature will be adding it will be different. Okay, for digital signature you can actually remove you can sign it on a paper, scan it, remove the background by using remove.bg, and you can actually add them, upload it in your images, and you can add them. Okay, you can do that. That's it about this certificate making. So I would like to show few things I have done, okay, for you all, a few videos and few certificates. Okay, so yeah, we have 1 minute. I'll be completing it. Don't worry. Just a 2 minutes delay. Okay, now. See, and I have forgot to tell you. Here, your designs will be saved. Okay, I have not saved any of these. Right? You all saw what I have done. I've just created them and just closed it. Okay, I just closed it, but they are all in your designs. They will be saved. Okay, if you want to edit it later, you can do that later. Okay, and here is a certificate. Okay, which I have made for my college. Okay, I'll be showing it. It will be downloading.
Pravina, I request you to just stop presenting and start it again, no? Because many of them are not able to see your screen, it seems.
Okay.
Yeah,
It is
thank you.
visible, but they have to pin it.
Yeah, I have said them, but still they can't see it seems, so I have just said Pravina to do it. She'll do it back.
Okay, Dee.
And everybody, please pin Pravina Krishna Kaut's screen.
So, okay, I have stopped sharing it. I'll be sharing it again. Most of you all can not see, right? Okay, guys. Hope you all can see my screen. I'm almost done. I'll be ending the session very soon. Don't worry. So, okay. See, here I have made a certificate for my college and for my club. Okay. So here I have put the logo. Actually, the logo will be in a rectangle shape. That is, if you want to make it a circle format or any other thing, you just have to use frames. Okay, I have told you to use frames. You can use that. Here is the college name, your competition name, our our club um, our club logo, and certificate of participation, and the digital signatures. Okay. Okay. So this one I have edited in templates. I'll be showing you the original one. Okay. Okay. Can you see this? This is the original certificate template I have used. I made it. I adjusted all those things, and content also I have made. Okay. So in this way you can edit the template. Okay. This is using template. Without using template also you can do. And here, and in videos I have told you there is a collage video. Okay. So in collage video, we can add multiple videos. They'll be playing, okay? For this one, there is a video. And for this bottom one also, there's a video. Okay, both will be playing simultaneously. That is a collage video. Okay, you can make collage videos also. Like if you want 2-3 videos to be played at a time, you can do this. Okay, for the middle one, I have placed a picture rather than placing a video. Okay, you can do this. And here is another one. For this, I have added music also, but the music won't be audible because okay, so the text is this here, but the video is moving. So you can add audio file here. See, you can see I have added it audio. So you can do this. I hope this comes. See, both two videos are playing simultaneously. The first one and the third one. Okay. Hope you all can see. I have not added any audio file to it. Okay. So that's it. Finally, any questions? If you have any queries related to the topic that we discussed today, only for today, that is Instagram stories, posts, video making, and certificates. And on a note, I would like to tell you all, you can actually do this certificate, video making, and Instagram posts and stories, and you can actually send us on the WhatsApp group that we have, that is workshop on graphic designing group, right? You can just send them, and we'll be giving you an appreciation certificate if you won the prize. Okay.
Can you repeat it again?
Yeah. So actually, the thing is, I have discussed today Instagram posts, stories, and certificates and video making, right? So you guys can actually uh, log into Canva, do any of the 4 topics that we have discussed, any of the thing, and you can just send it in our WhatsApp group that we have. That is a workshop on graphic designing. We have a WhatsApp group. In that, if you guys can send, you can send it. If we've liked your certificate or something, the poster, the design you made, we would like to give appreciation certificate. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys. I would like to hand over the session to Vasvi.
Yeah, thank you, Praveena. So I'm receiving many messages in the chat box now. So everyone said that there are no queries, and yeah, everyone is appreciating the presentation given by you. So thank you, and thank you everybody. So with this, we come to an end of the session. You can leave now. Thank you.
Hope guys, you guys join the tomorrow session and day after tomorrow's session. Thank you.